Ah! Find a way. Going at the same time, but also scary. Oh, okay. No, they didn't say anything about that sheriff. Oh shit, he pulled out. Nah, he's coming, dog. I'm gonna hang back, see what he wants. Oh shit. What'd I say? Who's he pulling over? Uh-oh. No plate. That's right. How you doing? What's up? Yeah, did I do anything wrong? Huh? Did I do anything wrong?
Did you do anything wrong?
Yeah.
You guys are reckless driving. And I'll talk to you all about that as a group, so I don't have to explain it a bunch of times.
Okay.
I wasn't really changing lanes or anything, but
I can't hear you, man, with that thing on.
I said I wasn't really changing lanes or anything. I maintained my lane in the left.
Yeah. I'm not just talking about right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you have your registration and your license on you?
Yeah. It either fell out or it's at home.
So, you mind coming back here so I can talk to y'all all at one time?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to explain to y'all all at one time why y'all got pulled over, okay? So, all the way basically from through here, all those jurisdictions have been getting calls on you guys for reckless driving. Okay? So when y'all came through here, obviously I located you, I found you, I saw a couple of y'all splitting traffic, not using turn signals, driving up the middle, which I think she was kind of talking to some of y'all about to begin with. I totally get it, right? It's bikes, it's fun, it's beautiful weather, but traffic is heavy. You know, one of y'all goes down, and now all of a sudden you're probably not going to live because somebody's going to squish your head.
Just right. I thought you said here. What? I'm asking this out of curiosity. It's nothing. I'm here to assist him. Whatever. I walk and we open up the bike. Look.
You know, they got umbrellas or whatever. You know, it was whoop, whoop. Wow.
Yeah, where the hell did you get an umbrella
Wow. I don't know. It just popped out of nowhere.
My back hit my back.
Ah. How you doing? Pretty good, yourself?
Good. Just so you know, I bought your cameras on.
Okay.
The reason I stopped is these can't be on the road.
These can't?
No, it's like, well, I mean, technically, I guess maybe they could, but.
Okay, this one actually is classified as a class 3 e-bike. So it goes 28 miles an hour with 750 watts for the battery. And I put these on, they actually turn into pedals. So that way I can use my pedals, and they're fully functional.
So that's pedal. What brand is it?
It's a Frigo.
Oh, what is it?
Frigo?
Frigo?
Yeah.
So do the pedals actually work on it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you. I got stopped a few weeks ago and...
Yeah, because it looks like a Suron.
It does, I know.
But it does. It's
No, it's...
the motor and the wheel, like.
Yeah, no, it straight up works. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, cool. And it's called a Frigo?
Frigo X2, yeah.
Where's the brand on it?
It was on the panels, but I just wrapped them. I don't know if it's on it.
That's interesting.
Yeah. I know my buddy had a Suron and he got impounded, and I've been wanting an e-bike like this just to get to work and back.
Yeah, that one looks like it's actually a bike. It just looks
Yeah.
like a Suron when it goes by.
Yeah.
So the only issue with it is that in sport mode it does 50.
Yeah, I just keep it eco and street
But
mode.
that
though.
makes it a motorcycle.
Okay, I see.
So just so you know, I mean, they're pushing us really hard right now
I see.
to enforce these and get them off the road and impound them.
Okay.
Like, I see what you're saying, but it's still an electric motorcycle because of the speed.
I see.
It's
okay.
not like what you have it set at, it's what it's capable of.
I see.
And so it's like $1,500 in tickets.
Oh
for
wow,
having it on.
really? Awesome. I can keep it off-road though?
Oh, off-road, you can do whatever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what all those, like no doubt, dude. The Surons and
Yeah.
the Solari, like, those things are really cool.
Yeah, for sure.
Super fun.
Yeah, okay.
They're just not, I mean, even when you buy them, it says off-road use only.
I see.
So that's the weird thing about it is DMV won't register them.
Oh wow, okay.
Because it's an electric motorcycle, but it doesn't meet the national safety standards for the road.
Okay.
I've never seen them do it, but it would have to have brake lights, headlights, turn signals, horns. It would have to have a DOT rating, national safety ratings.
Okay.
And then you'd have to go down and get it registered with a license plate. You'd have to have a motorcycle endorsement and insurance on it. Unless you want to risk getting a whole bunch of tickets.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, keep it off. Good work. Then I just keep it off the road.
Okay.
Okay, man.
I'm good to go to work though. I'm just working at that library.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just pedal it.
There you go. Perfect. Bicycle.
Thank you. You too.